Hey guys, today we talk about how can you enable smart notifications on your Truecaller app. We're going to figure out the solution on know how you can do that on your Truecaller app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do, you just go here above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on message and you just click on it here. Then you come to next step here. Then all you have to do now, just go down here. So then you come here to smart notifications, clicking this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's mean here smart notifications enable with us now. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.